Hello, welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. Today we are going to be opening all these surprise egg toys. There's a lot of them, isn't there? I can't wait to open them up. Let's get cracking. Our first toy will be the Kinder egg. Let's open that up. Ooh, we got the egg here. The chocolate egg. That looks so yummy. Can't wait to eat that later on. What toy is this? Oh, it's a frog. We have to put it together, guys. There we go, we've put together our frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Let's set him aside. Our next toy will be the dinosaur. Might get another dinosaur. I don't know, maybe you remember in the previous surprise egg video we did get a dinosaur. And she was dancing. Ah. There we go, candy. Dinosaur stickers. You can use that to decorate our book. And the star of the show is a dinosaur. Look at him. Ooh. So majestic. Set him aside. Our next toy. Put the ball. Trying to open this. Twist more. Here we go. Oh, look, there's a kitty. It's like a plush toy, like a kitty pillow. Oh, how cute. Look at his bow. He's so cute. Next toy will be My Little Pony. Snap, snap. Ooh. We got jelly beans. Oh, I'm going to be stuffing my face after this video with all these candies. Oh, look at this. There's a picture of our ponies on it. Or maybe you can open this, but you can't. Our next egg is Peppa Pig. I would like to make the Peppa Pig noise, you know, like the pig noise, but I don't think I know how to do that. so I wouldn't. Another jelly bean. Another jelly bean. Oh, I think this is George. It's like a George badge. So cute. Our next egg is Paw Patrol. We have an eraser here with the Paw Patrols on there. And a jelly bean. We're getting lots of sweets. I like that. So rewarding. And oops, I forgot to tell you, our next egg is Hello World Surprise. You might get a cookie in this one because I've opened something similar before. And we got a cookie that was super yummy. Oopsie. Look at the Hello World, the picture of the Hello World door on it. Oh, she's so cute. I'm loving the crown on her head. And a jelly bean again. Our next egg is My Little Pony. Ooh, another My Little Pony egg. It's a candy. Oops, I mistakenly ripped that one. What's in here? Is a ring. Oh, cute. Oh, you can fit my pinky. So cute. Our next toy is Shimmer and Shine. Ooh, let's see the super surprise that awaits in there. Another candy. Look at that, it's a ring with a princess on it. She is so adorable. I'm loving her ponytail. Look how big that is. So cute. Our next toy is Super Mario. Let's open that up. It's Super Mario in his racing car. He's driving towards us. He's so cute. Ready, steady, go. Oops, let's try that again. Ready, steady, go. So cute. Our next toy is fungus. Ooh, hopefully it won't be actual fungus in there. That won't be pretty, would it? Snap, snap. Fungus Among Us. Ah, look at the naughty fungus in there. This one is a crocodile fungus. So naughty looking. Look at this one as well. They look so super hungry. Yo, I'm gonna hit you. I know. I'm gonna hit them. How dare you talk to me like that? Okay, let's set the naughty fungus aside before they actually do eat us. Our next toy is Pet Home. open it. Look at that. Oh, I love that. That's a tree. Oh, she's so cute. And we got Candy again. Look at the pet that we got. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's so cute. Our next toy is Pokemon Ball. There you go. Let's open that up. It's an eraser with a picture of Pikachu. Our last egg is My Little Pony. This is the third My Little Pony egg that we're going to open today. There we go. Look at our little pony. She's so cute. And she has like a pattern of apple on her. So cute. Oh, look at her hat. So cute. These are all the surprise toys that we got in today's video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Bye.